guys, welcome to the channel. Today we do another biking adventure. There's a big house on top of this factory. Wow, awesome. Yoo-hoo! Here it's a very nice park. I was there before. This way. I do all the bike lanes on the other side, turn around, and I come here with this road here. I can go the other side too and reach the boats there. We have a place with a lot of boats there, but I'm not going there today because I'm a little tired. I'm riding my bike for almost 3 hours and a half right now, so I think it's enough for me. I just wrap up and go back home. I still have maybe 30 kilometers to do before going back home. So yeah, it's a beautiful day, very nice ride. I hope you enjoyed the video. So see you next time. Bye.